Password Keeper, Module 1. So this is the new application that we will be creating. It is called Password Keeper. So in this application, we are going to be keeping track of our passwords for different websites, application, network, at your work, at your home. So I will show you how to reuse functions we created in a previous application. All right, one of these functions will create class objects and data access object for us. All right. Well, let's get going. All right. All right. We are going to create new. Oops, wrong language. We're going to create a new database. We're gonna call this a let's go into the file here and new folder. We're gonna call this a password keeper. All right, let's go in there. Sounds good. Let's do it. Password keeper. All right. Um. So the idea is to have an application that keeps track of our login names and passwords for various websites, company, and all that. Um, so the first thing that we do, we want to reuse all functions, right? I am going to first off, I'm going to grab this company. Um, there is let's see, for this access projects, we have a table called company in this modules, CMS modules. So I'm just going to go into one of these guys, any one of them. All I'm wanting is the table company. You know what? I am also going to need the identification that will help us with the ID, the GUID ID. We also are going to be using the color. Those three guys for now. Also, the company form. Those three guys. All right. So the table would be company, form would be company, module would be color identification. All right. Now you notice I'm not selecting company DB access here, nor am I uh, uh, selecting this company. All right. I am going to show you. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. All right. So let's go ahead and click OK. And here we got color function and ID. All right. So now in here, I am going to add one other field. This is called company URL. Let's use long text. That's a website, by the way. All right, URL. That's a website. So I'll go ahead and save that. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is if you remember, let me go back, let me go to the website here. Go to my channel. Let's go to videos. These right here, this auto-generated class object, auto-generate delete, auto-generate retrieve, and save functions. These guys, I am going to import this latest one right here. This latest one includes all three previous three tasks. All right, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to close that out. I'm going to go to oh yeah, external data, get new data, back to access. I'm going to navigate to that file, that project. That would be create this guy right here. All right, there are two of them. This is the creating the class object, and then we did delete, save, and get, I believe. But I'm going to get this latest one, which includes all these three. All right, so I'm going to go in there, open it up, and here I'm not interested in the table. What I'm interested in is the form that creates the class object for me. I'm also interested in the CRUD type and the data table object, those two guys. All right, and you'll see what I mean in a few seconds. Well, minute. All right, that's that. That's nice and simple. So we have done a lot here. All right, imagine you'd be typing doing this. All right. Yeah, you don't want to type. I mean, you're gonna be typing initially, but these are already made. All right, and that you can reuse. All right, that you can reuse. So all right, now I'm going to open up this guy. You see there, and then um, and then type in company. See there? Look at that. Now I'm going to select this guy, copy, and here's a suggested, not suggested, the class module that you need to name company. So I'm going to go back in here, right click, insert, class module, paste, change the name to com company, and then control S. Save that guy. Now we got one more. Select this guy. Now this guy needs to be company DB access. All right, so I'm going to copy that back in here, insert. This one is a module, not class module. It's a module. Paste, company DB access. Control S. Look at that. That is quick. We just basically did the whole thing in a few clicks. All right. All right. And I'm going to leave that. I'm going to go ahead and close that out. I want to compile this, make sure everything compiles. See right here, compiles. It's going to run through all of the lines here on all these forms and find errors. All right. See if it finds any errors. Oh, there's one here. So I wonder what that is. Wonder what that is. Do we have the company exists? Let's I'm going to remove that. Oh, okay, there's a company. There's company exists by ID here. Yeah, right there. Uh, yeah. So there you go. Just replace that. I think it also needs um, ID. All right, and we want to make sure that we have this object way at the top. Yes, we do. Perfect. There you go. All right, Control S. Let's compile that. Good. No error. Perfect. All right. So now I'm going to close that out. The next thing that we need, now we have this company here. All right. Now we are going to need um, password table. All right. Password ID. this would be company ID. We are going to need username, password, and add the date. Now the idea is once you add this guy, you cannot delete. All right, you cannot update, because it's, if you update, then you're not going to be able to know what previous passwords or login was. All right, so let's mark that guy a key, primary key, and yeah, save. Yeah, call that password. There you go. Now we're gonna go in here again, create table object. We are going to type in password. Again, select, copy. See how fast we're working now. In the past, we were just having to type line by line. Now we've got our function to create these things for us. So this is called password. Control S. Ooh. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, there you go. Huh. Okay. So yeah, we got this. Not sure why that class 1 showed up. All right, we got one more to go. Select, Control C, back to the code behind. We are going to create this guy, module, there, and we're going to call this password db access, and Control S. We are done, basically. That's it. That's it. So we add, look at this, we add this guy in what, maybe 5 minutes or less. That's pretty nifty, isn't it? That's pretty quick. I'm not going to do anything with this right now, all right, or even the back code behind here, okay, because there are a couple of things here, all right. This time I am going to try to make the video real short, that way you don't get bored. All right, so let's call it a day, and we'll continue tomorrow. All right, Control S. There you have it. There you have it. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.